Hi, my name is Preston. I'm with ARP Roofing, and today I'm standing in front of McMullen County ISD, where we have just completed over 200,000 square feet of roofing. You see, the school wanted to do some major upgrades to their facilities, and they're looking for all of their roofs to match in color. They had a Galvalume silver style roof in the standing seam profile on it, and we came in and did a metal roof overlay right over the top of the existing roof. We were able to do this with an innovative system by installing a metal purlin system right over the first roof. We then laid in insulation battens between the two roof systems to allow for better energy efficiency here at the property, and then installed our medium bronze color that you see behind me right over the top. This cut down on a couple different things. The first being the cost associated with tear off of a re-roof. Second, it helped speed the project up. And third, it kept the students safe and allowed us to continue to work as they came back to school and didn't impede with their studies. The second portion of the project consisted of a flat roof system. We came in and cleaned those areas off and then applied a roof coating right over the top. This extends the life of those systems for another 20 years. It's a bulletproof roof system. It's white, it's seamless, it's watertight. It actually reflects the UV rays to help cut down on energy costs associated with that portion of the building. So if you're a property owner or a manager and you're looking for innovative solutions to solve your unique roofing problem, you need to give me a call. I'm Preston, the Roof Pro with ARP Roofing. My phone number is 210-714-0040, and I look forward to meeting you soon.